Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm gonna be sharing my secret recipe with you guys. Hope you guys will love it. And as you can see, I have prepared a wonderful and tasty mouth-watering chicken soup for my kids and for myself. Generally I try to invent some of the recipes I recook and mix and adds a little bit of flavor or spices of my own and recreate or create my own style, and the soup has come out to be a wonderful one. So I thought, why not sharing it with my lovely viewers. So now I'm gonna be sharing the recipe with you, and the soup was a yum. It was mouth watering. I think you guys will love my recipe because I tried to keep it very simple and as much easy as I could, because I made it with my the things I had in my home for cooking, baking or making my recipes. Nothing extra I bought from outside, only few ingredients you need to make this delicious soup. And it's so much healthy, and it's also very healthy for your kids and someone who is breastfeeding and who is sick also, you can give to them, and it's a nutritious food. So first of all, I am sharing with you guys the ingredients. I took chicken stock. Here you can see I have taken 200 milliliter of chicken stock, 1 egg and brown soya sauce, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour and butter. These are the simple ingredients, and these are the some ingredients you are going to be needed to make this soup. And for first of all, you have to make the stock. I am sharing my stock making process because most of the time whenever I am cooking soup, I make stock at home because I don't like the preserved one that are available in the groceries or super shops. Those taste so weird. I don't like the smell and taste of the those stocks. I don't know why, but I don't like the smell, so I try to avoid those packaged stock. So I make stock for myself. I have taken some chicken pieces and ginger, garlic and onion. I have taken 200 milliliter of water and put it into a boil, and a half teaspoon of salt is added to it. Nothing extra is needed in this stock. You just have to boil it and just lessen it up to it becomes half quantity. That means I took 300 milliliter water to make the stock at the beginning. Whenever my water comes to 150 milliliter, I will turn off the gas, and I have separated the chicken. I am mashing it with my hands because those are going to be added in the soup in the next procedure. The first procedure is making your stock, and as I am making it for my kids, so I wanted it to be more healthy, so I have added some carrots. I have added it because it adds a bit of nutrition to the soup, and vegetable is good for health for the babies, as I have 2 baby, so it's going to be helpful for me to feed them vegetables in another form. And if you want, you can skip the vegetable part. You can make the stock like this. And I have shredded the chicken and added it to the mixture again, and I'm stirring it well and checking it. Otherwise, if you turn the flame low and don't stir it, the stew is going to be very oily at one side and very sticky to the other. So now I'm straining the stew. I'm taking the straining of the excess water from the chicken part. And here it is, the chicken stock is ready. Now I can make anything out of it. I can make corn soup, I can make chicken soup, I can make Thai soup, or I can add it to my vegetables, curries, pulao as pulao water, anything. And the oil, it's natural oil from the chicken and the vegetables. So this stock is very helpful whenever you are sick. Make this kind of soup and make the stock before. I didn't make it earlier, I made it just when I made the soup. So now I have taken the stock and let it be cool. Then when it cools down, the most important thing I wanted to share is, whenever the stock is very cool, low temperature, room temperature, when it becomes room temperature, then you can add the egg. Otherwise the egg is going to be just over the way top, and the egg is not going to mix well like the restaurant ones. It's simple tips. Whenever your mixture is the stock is very cool down, room temperature, then you add slowly you add the egg and stir it very well. Otherwise the egg is going to be just floated out. And here you can see my egg didn't become that much of unusual. My stock and soup has become like so well, my egg didn't get teared up. So this is the first and foremost tricks of making a soup. Whenever your stock is cooled down, then add the egg, otherwise the egg is going to be teared up. This mistake I have learned from a famous cook. She is a very renowned cook. She is Bangladeshi, cooking studio by Umme. She gave these tips in her Thai soup making recipe. I followed the same thing and I am successful. Otherwise beforehand my soup was not that kind of good. So in a hot pan I am adding a tablespoon of butter, and if you are making soup, please take butter, otherwise the taste is not going to be standard or way the top you want it as the restaurant wants. It is going to be flat at the end. So I have taken 1 tablespoon of butter. Now I am going to add some garlic, chopped garlics, and I love the smell of the garlic. I don't know why. Whatever I cook nowadays, I just put a garlic. it at home. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and give a thumbs up to my video. Like means thumbs up, and also subscribe my channel with the bell button on, so that you can get my videos notification at the first place. Hope you guys are doing great, and stay blessed, stay happy, and always think positive. Goodbye for now. Allah Hafiz. Lastly, I will add the corn flour mixture and also the sugar. Now as you can see, I will add the corn flour into my mixture to thicken the process, and my soup will be thickened. So whenever you are adding the corn flour, please add it at the last moment as I am doing, so that your soup will be very delicious and thick, and the consistency, it will be of the right consistency.